Ekiombe yokorwania obokurumi nechimbwa chia Mwanyabanto Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission Eacc nigo kiarire ira yokuimukia getambukire getindi ochiase onde bwensi orabwatiraniwe n'amamocho yobokurumi nigo boigo bateire na babekire miroberesaine yokoenekia obotuki bwa bene bwakorirwe erio abasaria bonsi babako imokeriwa egetambukiro kebwenete anene ase ogoiki wabo sibekigambiro muri Keito Frida Kerubo norboti orwa senchira yoboime.
Ekiombe gĩkũrwania obokurumi na kũrigereria chimbwa cha Mwanyabanto Eacc nigo batigaire kwĩgerera buna nonya ebina babekire bosibwe kigambiro gotuguterware nigo batigarite gotenena bokongu ase okorwania obokurumi ababisabe ekiombe kyo nigo batebire buna nigo botukibwa bere bogokorekana ase chi county kubwatikana no botumeki bw'ekibesa na chinga kibaranyore oboene egetambukiro nkeimukigwe.
But I won't say the dropping of those cases would be in any way affecting the Commission's work. Because those are just some of the cases that you're dealing with. There are so many other cases that are still within the due process of law. So I think just because of one case has been thrown out, we should be able to say the Commission is going to be affected.
Gokwana no mobisabu ekiombe kyo Solomon Atela nigo aigerera Eacc ase okoira chinga kichinyinge eliokoimokeria abakurumi egetambukiro nabo igo kubwatia lichiko.
Remember, Eacc is a player within a case process, or what I will call the justice system.
Gukwana asensemo ya Marsabit chinga kibabwate egeikaro ase okoerera emirimo yekiombe gia Eacc Atela nigo aenekia buna nigo ekiombe kyoge kobwate richiko ase ogoikia abakurumi bosibwe kegambero yo ekogera gutumika chinga kichinyinge.
We do investigations. We prefer we recommend for charges through the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution, who then presents the same to our judiciary, and all these institutions, in as much as they work together, there is also the need to ensure that their decisions and their actions are done in a way that they are not influenced.
Tinga kitio boigo omunyakerogo bw'ekiombe gekwegerera obwene bwo Mwanyabanto ime county ya Marsabit Mohamed Hassan nigo aganirie Eacc koimukeria abakurumi getambukiro kebwenete abo babere bagotumika kibesa bobe eki kibwenete gokora omuchando bw'enchara ime ya Kenya.
Kama wale ambao wanaiba public funds, hatutaki tu ati wanaambiwa umeiba pesa ama kuna investigation inafanyika inaendelea sijui miaka ngapi. We want the result. Wale ambao wamechukua pesa public funds, executives wa step aside na pia washikwe. Na kama hawana pesa ya kurudisha pesa ya public, tunahitaji asset recovery ifanyike. We want all the public office to be accountable. We cannot be complaining about issues ya drought wakati tuko na 7.8 billion na kuna pesa ya donors, conditional na unconditional grants, na bado tunasema we are marginalized na hatuna pesa. We have more than enough money. Tunataka kujua kama hiyo drought 700 million ilienda wapi, kama hiyo 150 pesa ya propua imeenda wapi. Want Eacc wa tighten their belt.
Ekiombe gia Eacc nigo gia semire abamenyi be county ya Marsabit chinjera cyokorwania obokurumi anene mono ko report ya ebisa bunebyo. Frida Kerubo, Ndizi TV.